Google's new AI image tool, Nano Banana, is incredibly impressive. Many creators have already started earning money with it after just a few weeks of use. Nano Banana is like an AI powered version of Photoshop. You describe what you want to create and it generates the image. The video shows how people have been using Nano Banana to design and sell popular t-shirts, providing a step-by-step guide for you sell it online and make money. So I'm going to show you a trendy t-shirt example first. So what you can do is you can open Amazon, Etsy, websites like that, search and find the t-shirt that has been selling fast and is really popular. So this particular t-shirt is sold around $9-10 and must have made over a lot in a single day. A similar design on other platforms has also generated a lot of money from this one t-shirt. So people take advantages of this trend by using ChatGPT to come up with new jokes or creative ideas within the different niche. Then they use the Nano Banana to create the visuals for those ideas. So let's go ahead and use Nano Banana. So you have to upload a reference image first, such as a screenshot of a design you like, and instruct a Nano Banana to recreate it with a new theme or focus. Just write the prompt in this box and hit enter. You can also ask to draw a lot of different things you like in the same style and with the same expression as the original design. Nano Banana will accurately reproduce the same image. But instead of doing this, go ahead and ask a chat GPT to generate an image, any image that you want to add in your t-shirt. Let's go ahead and generate an image of a butterfly. Or you can also go to Google Gemini and then ask it to create an image. Now go ahead and ask it to change the background, like to remove the background or make the background really clean and white. Now, once it has been created, you can go ahead and save this image instantly. Or you can upload a reference image such as a screenshot of a design you like and instruct Nano Banana to recreate it with a new theme or focus. You can see that I asked it to draw a butterfly and remove its background and make it in a cartoon form. And Nano Banana accurately reproduced the same image that I wanted. You can also create variations such as butterfly sitting on a rock or anything like that and generate that version instantly. Now let's go ahead and finish the design in Canva. Now go ahead, open canva.com. And Canva's drag and drop interface is user friendly and includes a wide selection of fonts and textures. So the process involves using the AI upscaler to optimize a Nano Banana image for printing and using the background remover to create a transparent background if not. And you can also add the joke text or export the design as a high resolution transparent PNG file. Let's go ahead and upload our picture first. And now let's add a font. Or if the background is not removed, you can remove from Canva as well. Now let's add the joke text. Go ahead, tap on this text over here and then tap on add a text box. You can also select any default text styles. So let's go ahead and write our text. Now let's change the font and make the text bigger. Right click on the text and then tap on layer. You can also tap on this picture and then tap on BJ remover in the top to remove the background. And now let's adjust the photo with the text that we just created. You can also add colors to this font over here. So let's go ahead and add the color pink. Now let's export this picture. Tap on the share in the top right corner of this screen and then tap on download. Make sure that you download this picture as PNG, then tap on download again. Once it has been downloaded, you can sell it online. To make money from this design, You can upload it to Printify or Printful, which is popular print on demand platforms that integrate with online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. So if you're using Printify, go ahead and log in or sign up. Set up your account if you're new over here. Go through the on-screen instructions. Now, in the homepage that appears, you'll get the option of create a new product, create a first product. Tap and create product option, which is highlighted in green color. And now let's go ahead and create a first product over here. So select what do you want to create for. I'm going to select clothing and apparel. Now let's select unisex oversized boxy tee. And now let's go ahead and tap on upload. Tap on my device. Go to your downloads and select the picture. Drag the picture to adjust it in this box. You can also select variants like select different colors, size, and all. Once done, you can preview it, and save the product. Now go ahead, connect your store, and then publish your t-shirt. When the customer places an order, the print on demand service automatically prints, packages, and ships the product, and the creator keeps the profit. Once set up, it becomes a largely passive business. So for more Nano Banana examples, you can also experiment with other t-shirt styles such as wolf and moon. Meme t-shirts often worn ironically at festivals. As Halloween is also coming, you can use any theme from that, and you can instruct the Nano Banana to recreate the style with different horror themes for Halloween. It usually delivers perfect results after a few attempts. So another idea is to remix the vintage art, such as Van Gogh's Starry Night, into something modern, because old paintings are in the public domain and they can be downloaded from Wikipedia, uploaded into Nano Banana, or instruct Nano Banana to create one and then remix it by adding elements like cat or panda or surfing like that. For this picture, let's add two beautiful women, and Nano Banana will generate the image quickly and instantly. The AI edits the image instantly, and customers appreciate these creative adaptations. You can see that the image has been created and it's so beautiful. You can also use this kind of designs, art, and other customized arts in your t-shirt for the print in your t-shirt and sell it online on Etsy, Amazon, or other platforms. Moreover, you can monetize your Nano Banana creations on platforms like Etsy for digital prints, t-shirts, mugs, and other print-on-demand products, and on Redbubble or Teespring or Printful for POD products with no upfront cost, and in Fiverr or Upwork, which offer AI-generated product images or social media graphics as a service. And there is also Instagram and TikTok where you can promote your creations or teach people how to make money online with AI. And for marketing your products, you can post short videos on TikTok showing your designs or AI creation process. And on Instagram Reels, you can focus on how I made this with AI style content. And Pinterest is also excellent for digital prints, and they're highly searchable. Once you know which designs sell, create bundles or series, and automate repetitive designs using Nano Banana templates, and consider outsourcing some AI prompts or editing to freelancers to save time. Nano Banana works best when you combine trending niches, unique styles, and smart marketing. Even if you're new, you can start earning $50 to $200 per week just by creating a few products a day. So making money with Nano Banana is all about creativity, consistency, and smart marketing. You do not need to be a professional designer. Just focus on training products, generate high quality designs, and put them on platforms where people are already buying. With persistence, you can turn AI generated designs into a steady online income stream. And remember to start small, test your designs, learn what sells, and scale gradually. The easier you make it for buyers to find and love your creations, the faster your earnings grow. So Nano Banana is your shortcut to professional looking products, but your ideas and strategy are what actually make the money. So, in summary, the workflow involves identifying trends, recreating them with Nano Banana, editing in Canva, and selling them through print on demand platforms. So, that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.